This is a 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It has what you need for work as well as what you want for play. It features a 4.8-liter 8-cylinder engine, a 4-speed automatic transmission. All of the following features are included: a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a keyless entry system, a security system, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, front airbags, an unattended headlight warning chime, air conditioning, and this vehicle has fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
I-5 Toyota is located at 1950 Northwest Louisiana Avenue in Sure Hales. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.